mis amigos, welcome back to mi canal. So today I'm going to be showing you how I did this eye look right here using this bad boy. So I think this look is something very like for night, but yet I think it's something very sexy. Like this eye look I just love. Like you can just be like, oh, excuse me, are you talking to me? I'm sorry, were you talking to me? Like I think it is so sexy. You can rock it with something sexy to wear, something for night, go clubbing, you know, I don't know, just even go for a romantic, sexy date. But I think this is very, very cute. Hopefully you will like it. If y'all want to see how I did this look, guys, well, let's go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, guys, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows. I already went ahead and primed my eyes, went ahead and put my hair back. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the Sephora Pro palette. This is the warm one. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with this one. This is ochre. And this is going to be my transition color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one eye on camera. The other one, I'm not going to do it on camera. I'll just do it off camera just to show you exactly the step-by-step that I'm doing. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. Went ahead and primed my eyes because that is one of the things I do with my eyebrows. And went ahead and put my hair back. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Sephora Pro palette, and this is the one in warm. I'm gonna go in with this one right here, and this is the one in ochre. This is yellow tone color, and I'm gonna do this for the transition color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start one eye and then do the one off camera. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the way I do it. So I kind of go from here and out. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead with the same brush, and I forgot to tell y'all which one this one was. This is the Wet n Wild, and I think it's just like the tapered, fluffy one. I'm gonna go ahead and probably go in with, I'm just gonna go a little bit dark already. So I'm gonna go in with this one. This one is Burnt Umber, and we'll go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna do the same steps, and I'm just doing a little bit lower than the ochre. So what I do is get it from here and go in, because it doesn't matter. I am gonna smoke that out in black. So I just kind of go a little bit over the yellow. Just try not to go as high as the yellow, if that makes sense. So I am smoking it out just to kind of blend the black from the yellow, but at the same time as you don't want to cover all that yellow. So it doesn't matter with the eyelid. Just blend those two colors together. Next, I'm going to go in with Obsidian, which is this black one right here. And I'm going to go in with this brush. This one, it is Door Time Makeup. And I think I got this on Amazon. It was just a packet of brushes. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and dab. Look at a little bit. Like I literally did 1, 2, 3. Like, anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and with this one, I'm just going to apply it to my eyelid. And I'm going to work myself up. So kind of start down here and then work yourself up. You don't want to start from up here, because then it's easier for you to start on the bottom and then build your way up. Then from the top down, and then... Woo! I totally just dropped everything off my table. Okay, so like I said, just start here and work yourself up. And just kind of first apply a lot here, and then just kind of pat yourself working up. And as you're doing it, you're kind of dragging down. So pat and drag down now. Pat and drag down. You do want to go a little bit over your cut crease, just a tiny bit. Not your cut crease, but your eyelid fold. Because see how it looks, and this is too different. You do want to blend, and a lot of times you want to blend that out, so you don't want to have it like just two separate colors, and just build it up. Next, after I'm done with that, you see how it kind of looks right there. I mix a little bit of the Burnt Umber and the Obsidian, just a tiny bit, and just kind of blend them together. This Just like don't add too much of the black because you don't want to get it too dark. You just want to blend it. And that, like I said, that never matters because we always clean that up when we conceal. One of the things is I don't just go to the lighter brown and try to blend it because I feel like sometimes that lines it up right here and it just looks bad. I don't know. That's why I always kind of mix both of them and just kind of mix them together. Okay guys, so after that and a lot of blending, I'm gonna go ahead with my Rimmel London, and this is just in black. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna do winged eyeliner. What I'm gonna do is just outline this part right here on the, well, my eyelid right here, because I will apply the eyelashes. So I just kind of wanted to hide the band, but I'm not doing wing liner because I just wanted more focused on the black eyes basically, so. Okay guys, so while my eyelash glue dries, I'm gonna go ahead and do my whole face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and added the NYX Lingerie and Honeymoon to my lips. Yeah, so I don't know. Hopefully you'll like this color. Okay guys, while my eyelash glue dries again, because it dried a little bit too fast, I'm gonna go back in with my palette and I'm gonna go back in with the Obsidian and black. I'm gonna get the same brush that I used for my lid and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my bottom eyelash. So the same brush, I thought I was recording, I'm sorry. So get the Obsidian and the same black one and just apply it to the bottom eyelash. Try to go as close to the eyelash line as you can and don't go all the way to the inner corner. Just gonna go halfway and out. Now with the same brush that we did all the blending, just kind of blend it. Just like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the eyelashes before the eyelash glue dries again. So I'm gonna grab it with my little tweezers, see? And just apply it to your lash line. Okay, and just try to apply it. Ooh, I just pinched my eyelid. As close as you can to your lash line and the shape of your eye. Because sometimes, you know, when I add lashes, sometimes they're like straight. So try to apply it to your shape of your eyelid. Ta-da! Now the eyelashes are on. We'll apply mascara to the bottom lashes. And then we'll apply some to the upper lashes. Sometimes I apply mascara before eyelashes, sometimes I don't. It just kind of depends. And these are just so that way your eyelashes attach to your fake lashes. And yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for the look today. Hopefully this eye look was something simple, was something easy for you to do, something for you to recreate. And it doesn't even have to be the same palette. Just get the same colors. And honestly, 3 colors I used. 3. A yellow, a brown, and a black. Well, you know. But 3 colors to get this. And it looks so pretty. I am so in love with this eye look. But yeah, guys, hopefully y'all liked this look. If you did, please thumbs up. Subscribe down to my channel so y'all can be just notified of my next videos that I'll be coming up with. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully y'all take care. You all be good. Mwah. Besos, mi amigos. Adios.